Hi everyone, it's Sal from the Gyms Cleaning Group. This week we'll be discussing insurance and protection. As an active franchisee, you are covered by an insurance policy to cover you against any damages on site. Since 2021, we've seen a significant decrease of claims against our franchisees, and we relate this to training provided to our franchisees, specialising in services, and the products that have been used. We have a few notable payouts that I'd like to share with you. We have a franchisee in New South Wales that had tried to remove rust from the elevator panels. They did remove the rust using an acidic product on stainless steel panels, but they also did etch the panels. We also had a franchisee in Queensland that used a high alkaline product on all fittings and fixtures that caused damage to towel roll holders, door handles, and this was one of our largest payouts to date. We've also had a franchisee in window and pressure cleaning that had scratched the window panes on a 3-unit construction site. All the glass had to be replaced for that particular job. For a car detailing franchisee in Victoria, they had used a shampoo machine on the roof lining of a corporate client for 18 vehicles. The moisture had affected the electrical of the vehicles, and that was also a significant payout. A carpet cleaning franchisee in Queensland had residue of bleach under their mop bucket. Once activated, had damaged a silk rug. We also had a cleaning franchisee in Victoria for an oven clean that used a caustic product that had spilt just below the oven. The product was shredded across the whole property, and the timber floors had to be redone. Now, all these claims have been paid out to clients, and we encourage our franchisees to communicate with franchisors. The most disappointing thing for us is all these claims could have been prevented with the right knowledge and the right approach. We could have avoided these complaints. If you're ever in a situation where you're unsure, you should always contact your franchisor or experienced franchisee in your area.